under the name Academy of Human Excellence. Parabal Bhai is an excellent orator and reads the minds of the people much faster than anyone else can do it. He says that the root of each problem is within, which we are transforming on others. I am sure that after you listen to him, most of your queries that you may have in mind by a question already stand addressed to you the time he finishes his speech. We also have another very brilliant speaker, Pujya Swami Gyan Vatsal Das Ji, who is a disciple of His Divine Holiness Pramukh Swami Maharaj of BAPS. One of our speakers this evening is going to join us a little later. Friends, I have heard him many times. He is an outstanding, excellent orator. He speaks non-stop for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Here he is going to speak for 50 minutes without having a piece of paper in his hand. He doesn't carry any cheat. He speaks non-stop for 50 minutes, citing the anecdotes of who's who in the whole world. And his oratory, I'm sure the time that you're going, what I'm telling you is the one which I have heard him, is par excellence. He's a person worth listening. And I request you that all of you must sit here until he finishes his speech, even if you have some kind of urgency at home. Friends, I request the founder sevak, Chabra ji, आपको तो यहाँ से जाना ही नहीं चाहिए, to present the fortune plant to Guruji Ji Narayan and Shri Parimal Gandhi.
I would appreciate if you are here for a moment, please. Yeah. As a token of love and affection from all of us seated here, who keep seeing you on TV daily, on the stock market, a token of love and appreciation for you.
I really don't know to tell someone that you see me in the stock market is a compliment or a curse. If you go right, you are very good. If you go wrong, hell of a thing that comes to you.
Kabhi gum, kabhi khush.
Kabhi kabhi, that's right. Kabhi khushi, kabhi gum. Friends, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि हम शतरंज नहीं खेलते क्योंकि दुश्मनों के सामने बैठने की मेरी औकात नहीं है और दोस्तों के सामने हम चाल नहीं चल सकते. As I told you, this is the 6th program in the series of happiness of Anand Ashram, and each program have been kept complimentary, including the high tea. Friends, the reason is कभी खाली पेट से पूजा नहीं होती और खाली पेट से उपदेश भी नहीं सुने जाते. Well, we sincerely appeal on behalf of the Anand Ashram, with the permission of Chavda ji, that if anyone present in the audience would like to sponsor any program, either himself or through his friends or his relatives, you are most welcome. The donations given to this particular trust is a charitable trust, is exempt under section 80G of the Income Tax Act. So you get a dual advantage. आप पुण्य भी कमाते हैं और आपको इनकम टैक्स में भी राहत मिलती है, which is officially available to you. The visiting cards of Sri Chabda ji is available at the reception desk. In case you want to contact him, it is available there. But if you cannot contact financially because it doesn't permit you at this moment, doesn't matter. You have here another program of Anand Ashram of Netradan, and the other program of the Anand Ashram is Raktadan. आप नेत्रदान कीजिए, which is only after the death, रक्तदान कीजिए, which if you are eligible between that particular age of say 15 or 18 to 60, kindly do that. That is absolutely going to be a most welcome donation to Anand Ashram, with the only caveat that this Netradan and donations of Raktadan are not exempt under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. Because these donations are priceless. And when the things are priceless, how can you calculate for the purpose of exemption? And that is the reason it is not kept under the purview of Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. Otherwise, they could have said so much of rupees for Netradan, so much of rupees for the Raktadan. But it is priceless, though I have not kept it. So I appeal to each one of you to please at least join us for this program. तनविंदर जी वहाँ पीछे बैठिए, मुझे पता है तनविंदर जी आपका बहुत योगदान है इसके अंदर, मैं जानता हूँ और मैं आपकी बहुत ही सराहना करता हूँ हमेशा जब से आपसे मिलता हूँ, because I am one of your very loved admirers of your voice और हमेशा जब आप गाती है तो मुझे लता जी की याद हमेशा आती रहती है. So thank you very much for being with us. Friends, before I hand over to this mic to our FGI's Secretary General for a welcome address, मैं एक चीज़ आपसे जरूर कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि कुछ न कुछ एक अपडेट्स होते हैं, कुछ न कुछ संदेश ऐसे माहौल पे दिए जाते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि खामोश चेहरे पे हजारों पहरे होते हैं, खामोश चेहरे पे हजारों पहरे होते हैं, हंसती आंखों के जख्म काफी गहरे होते हैं, जिनसे अक्सर हम रुठ जाते हैं, जिनसे अक्सर हम रुठ जाते हैं, असल में उसे से हमारे रिश्ते काफी गहरे होते हैं. With these words, I request the Secretary General of the FGI, Mitesh Bhai, to kindly come and have a welcome address.
Thank you, Jagdish Bhai. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a privilege for the Federation of Gujarat Industries to host today's program, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, as we have done, I think almost all the times that Jagdish Bhai was mentioning. Our esteemed program chairperson, Guruji G. Narayana, Chairman Emeritus, Excel Industries Limited, and mentor, contributor, and educational trainer in management. Our guest speakers, Pujya Swami Gnan Vatsal Das Ji, eminent saint from